Well, what fun it is to be standing with Brian at Tsugawa's. And Brian, today we are going to be talking about something that we really discuss a lot because it's so important, which is pollinator plants. And then we're also going to throw in some beautiful hummingbirds as well. So tell me about this stunning thing right here.
Great topics. Yeah, thanks, William. Well, it's actually native to the area. Flowering currant, the red flowering currant, just a beautiful pinkish. It's very much an attractant for all the hummingbirds. They just go right to.
And it does attract pollinators too. So really, you get a double whammy with this plant because you'll get the hummingbirds who like it and the pollinators as well. And you know, we would be remiss, Brian, if we didn't talk about berries, because I think a lot of people get pollination as necessary, but they really are pollinators as well.
That's right. It's exactly. The blueberries definitely need. It always helps to have two varieties, or hope for the bees passing on the pollen there for the pollination.
And then, there's all kinds of flowers that you guys carry that are great for pollination. Like both of these here are stunning.
Yeah, I think it's that magenta, scarlet for the hummingbirds, but whatever it is, you always know because they're going to be
like them.
Exactly, they're going to be flocking there. But it's always nice to see them. Pretty much all year round they're there. Not the flowers, but the hummingbirds are out there. But
so you talk about the ribes being a native, but also you have mahonias, and they are a native.
That's right, Oregon grape, beautiful yellow flowers, very much a great attractant for the bees and stuff.
And then we would be remiss to not mention this beauty. Tell me about it, because there's so many different kinds now.
That's right. There's variegated leaves. They have some pink. New ones all the time, actually, William, but this one's a dwarf compact one, so there's one for every situation. But I think it's the abundance of flowers. They last so long. Bees just find a way to always come out there.
And we call it the lily of the valley shrub, but it actually is Pieris, right?
That's correct.
Yeah, they're wonderful plants.
They're in the rhododendron family there, and just grown same as the rhododendron or azalea.
And then there's, again, so many types of perennials that bloom. All of these varieties will be attracting pollinators to your garden.
That's right. You can get, if you coordinate it right, you can have them, bloom at different times. There's all sorts of different purposes you can use. Short ones, tall ones, but that's what's nice about perennials.
There's always something there for you.
That's exactly right.
And I have to say that one of the things too I love about pollinating plants is this is a Daphne.
Fragrance.
And the fragrance, so it appeals not only to hummingbirds and to insects and to bees, it appeals to us even more.
Yeah, Daphnes are one of the strongest to me, I think, and just hard to beat that one. Very fragrant.
Well, we always talk about the beauty of pollinator plants in the garden and the benefit it can bring to all of us. So for more information, go to gardentime.tv. We're going to click you over to their website, then come on up here and come to Tsugawa's and pick out some wonderful pollination plants for your own space. Thank you so much, Brian.
Thanks, William.